Hey, this is Keha Inspires 75 seconds. Today, let's dive into some powerful life lessons. Life doesn't always go as planned, and that's okay. Every challenge is a lesson. Every failure is a step closer to success. Remember, patience builds strength. Mistakes are not the end, but the beginning of growth. Choose to see setbacks as lessons, not losses. Be kind to yourself when things go wrong. True wisdom comes from learning, adapting, and moving forward with hope. Life is a journey. Keep your head high and your heart open. Keep learning, keep growing. Life lessons shape the best version of you. Follow me for more inspirations every day. Subscribe my channel, Keha Inspires and Views.